Hey there, welcome to Financial Fuels. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to take control of your finances and start saving? In this video, we will share 10 simple budgeting and saving tips to help you get started. Tip number 1. Track your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on for a month. You will be surprised at where your money is going. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to make it easier. Tip number 2. Create a budget plan. Allocate 50% of your income towards necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Tip number 3. Prioritize needs over wants. Make sure you have enough money for rent, utilities, and food before spending on non-essentials. Tip number 4. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate that money towards saving or debt repayment. Tip number 5. Use the 52-week saving challenge. Save an amount equal to the number of the week. For example, in 1 week save $1, in 2 weeks save $2, and so on. Tip number 6. Avoid impulse purchases. Take time to think before you buy something and ask yourself if you really need it. Tip number 7. Use cashback and rewards apps. Earn money back or accumulate points on your purchases. Tip number 8. Save for emergencies. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in case of unexpected events. Tip number 9. Avoid fees. Be mindful of fees associated with your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial services. Tip number 10. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Make sure you are on track to meet your financial goals and make adjustments as needed. That's it. 10 simple budgeting and saving tips to help you take control of your finances. Remember, budgeting is a journey and it's okay to make mistakes. Start with the small steps and you will be on your way to financial freedom. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice.